In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a successful Facebook ad for your ClickBank affiliate marketing business. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire-ass piece of content. And in this specific video, we're going to be covering how I'm currently getting under $1 per lead for my affiliate marketing business, and more importantly, how you can go ahead and duplicate the same results within your affiliate marketing business, right? Now, in this specific affiliate marketing campaign, I'm currently getting leads for less than $1. So we can step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you look here, I'll show you guys the active campaign, and then I'm actually gonna go ahead and break it down for you, right? So if we look here, the campaign is a conversion ad, right? So it's a conversion ad. If we look at the results, currently 763 leads. How much are we getting each lead for? $98 per lead, 22,000 impressions, 14,000 reach, and spent $747, right? Now, the amount of clicks that I'm getting is basically, or the amount of clicks that I got is 2,060, and I'm literally getting charged 36 cents per click, which is pretty incredible. Now, the reason behind that is a couple of variation or factors and variables, and I'm going to show you guys why, right? So the reason why my clicks are so cheap and my leads are so cheap is because my click-through rate is 13.61%. So what that means is out of 100 people, 13.61 or 13 people decide to actually click through to my ad, right? So to click through to my funnel, right? So I'm using a simple two-step sales funnel, right? So here's my landing page, and then here's my Facebook ads pre-sale page or my bridge page. So I'll break down what that means in a second. So here's my here's my bridge page. So you guys can't swipe my phone. I'm not gonna go ahead and break that down for you. This is just for Facebook ads, right? Not whatever. So basically, here's how it works. I have an opt-in page, and then there's a pre-sale page. And then after they get to the pre-sale page, they get to the affiliate offer, right? So it's a three-step sales funnel. First, opt-in page. Second page, pre-sale page or thank you page. Third page is the affiliate offer. So if we look here, back to my Facebook ads manager, right? I'm just gonna break down the ad for you guys. So first and foremost is from a campaign standpoint, it is a conversion ads campaign. Now I split test, if you notice I split test a whole bunch of different type of ads. I've had a whole different type of ads, right? But in this one specifically, we're doing conversion ads, right? So next is you want to split test your ad sets, right? Too many people, they don't split test their ad sets. So I actually had way more ad sets than this, but out of this one, if we look at the conversions here, I have 11% was the closest one to this, but the winning ad set is currently at 12.44%. Now, I'm doing MMO, make money online, right? So once you actually create an ad set, just to show you what an ad set looks like, once you go inside, you're gonna go ahead and break down this information. So first, as far as conversions, I'm optimizing for leads, right? And then next is my daily budget is $50 per day, but I'd highly recommend starting at $5 per day until you find a winner. Then you scale that winner. And basically, who am I looking to reach is everybody in the United States. The age is 25 to 65. I'm doing men because my brand is more congruent with men. And believe it or not, my targeting really isn't even that crazy. It's literally affiliate marketing. Now, it doesn't mean that just by targeting affiliate marketing for you, if that's gonna be the best ad set for you, not necessarily. The name of the game, guys, is just split testing. So affiliate marketing, then that's my targeting. Then to edit my placements, I'm only doing Facebook news feed. And only when people are connected to Wi-Fi. That's a little trick for you guys. Basically, when people are connected to the Wi-Fi, they're more likely to be like sitting in place, not just on the move or on the run, just looking at their Facebook really quick. They're actually sitting down maybe scrolling through Facebook or something, but they're connected to Wi-Fi. So they're somewhere sitting. They're not just on the go. So you're going to get much higher conversions. And my bid cap is $2 per conversion. So I'm not willing to pay more than $2 per conversion. That's why I'm at 97 cents per lead. My current reach is 370,000 people. And there goes my ad set. Now to actually look at the ad that's working, if we look here, here's a specific ad. So we have a unique click-through rate of 12.43%, 38 cents per click is my cost per click. And if I actually go to the actual ad that I created, we have breaking news: kid creates weird niche laptop business that took him from dead broke, slaving away at corporate desk jobs, to quitting, traveling the world, and only working 4 hours per week. Now, am I working 4 hours per week? Absolutely not. Can I work 4 hours per week if I really wanted to? But basically what I'm doing, just to break down everything, right? So death to the 9 to 5. So breaking news, that's basically a pattern interrupt. It's like breaking news, like what? It automatically builds people's curiosity. My thumbnail is a girl in her bathing suit hanging, so it's kind of crazy looking. And it's basically a pattern interrupt, right? I've had 39 comments, I've had 64 shares, so people organically sharing my ad. I've had 318 likes, right? So death to the 9 to 5. That is very appealing, right? So what do you want to do is you want to play on people's wants and their desires. So that's very appealing to people who want to be, who don't like their 9 to 5, right? Death to the 9 to 5. That's going to pique their curiosity and their interest. Breaking news, that's pattern interrupt. And then kid creates, so that's just kind of like, kid creates weird niche laptop business. That's basically to show people that if a kid can do it, you can do it, right? That's kind of what it comes down to. And then dead broke, right? So from dead broke, so that's basically social proof. That's maybe where they're at, slaving away at a corporate desk job. So tapping into that pain and then kind of transitioning into their wants and their desires. They probably want to travel. They probably only want to work 4 hours per week. That's like the dream to them, right? So tapping into their wants and their desires. It's not really long ad copy. It's very short copy, but there's a whole bunch of psychology within that copy. And the objective, guys, is simply to get them to my funnel. Now, believe it or not, this is a two-way street. This isn't just about your Facebook ads. You need to learn how to optimize your funnels, right? So you could have great quality traffic, but my leads would be extremely high if my sales funnel wasn't converting very well, right? So even if I give you this winning ad, that's why I'm not afraid to, you still need to learn about sales funnels, right? So with that being said, if you guys want to learn about that stuff, I do have a free course. It'll be the second link in the description. You guys can get access to that course, and it'll literally teach you how to write ad copy, how to do copywriting, how to optimize your sales process, etc. So it'll give you a little bit more in depth on how to actually have the perfect 1-2 punch. This is just one of the punches. It's a perfect, how to have the perfect 1-2 punch. So this is one of my winning ads. We're literally getting leads for less than $1, which is an advertiser's dream. Number 2, and by the way, as far as the video, I didn't even really show you the advert, but it's a lifestyle video.
I want you to imagine waking up this morning, no alarm clock.
So you can literally look at the ad. Obviously, you're not going to be able to duplicate this because this is my own personal life. So it's a lifestyle ad. It's basically just a lifestyle ad of me traveling and stuff along those lines. So that is a big difference as well. But what you might be able to do is you can do an image ad, or you can literally construct your own lifestyle video. Even if you're not the person in the lifestyle video, you can create your own lifestyle video through images you can find online. So there goes my successful ad. We have 1,700 clicks. We have 1,600 unique clicks, 12% unique click-through rate. We have 38 cents per click, 98 cents per lead. And with that being said, that's basically how you create a successful Facebook ad. But grab the course down below, and we're having an in-person event where we're gonna have some of the best media buyers in the game to teach you guys about ads. I'm gonna be there as well, obviously, to teach you guys a lot more about marketing. We're gonna have people on the mindset. We're gonna have people on who are influencers in the game, right? We're gonna have some serious people at this in-person event. If you're thinking about what event I'm talking about, there's more information that'll be the first link in the description. My first in-person mastermind event. If you've never been to Miami, it's gonna be freaking sick. And I can't wait to see you there. Stop thinking about it. If you've heard about this a couple of times, look, pull the trigger. It's going to be what you need to catapult your lifestyle and your business in 2019. Basically, when I found out that I wanted to do something in life, I went to an event. It was a game changer for me. It changed my freaking life, and I finally started getting results within my business, right? So, with that being said, go ahead and click that first link in the description, grab access to the event. It's gonna be a game changer, right? But that's how you create a successful Facebook ad.
Do you have a dream, but when you try to tell your friends and your family, they just don't understand? You have the desire, you have the hustle, but when you think about pursuing that dream, you have those voices in the back of your head saying, go to school, get a good education, get a real job. Enough already. You are a wolf. And believe it or not, there's people out there just like you. And it's time for you to meet them. This is your year. It's your time. This is your moment. Come to this up and coming Wolves Masterminds live event in no place other than Miami, Florida. Meet the sickest millennial business influencers in the game. Network with other hungry wolves. Take your business and your lifestyle to the next level. This is exactly what you've been praying for. After 2019, your life will never be the same. Opportunity is calling. Time for you to open the door.